honestly, we've worn Marcus out. This is no big budget production. This is 2 days, 20 dishes, 20 different ways to barbecue, heat food. He's been an absolute rock, a real legend. But the film crew were just about to wrap up and we went, oh, we haven't yet put a fish in the wood heater. So here he goes again. This is like the final bit after the wrap. Marcus, what are you doing?
So we've got this lovely lemon sole from Matt the fishmonger yesterday. That's an absolute beautiful fish. So I'm simply just going to lay it on some lemon like that. So a lot of people would get a fish like this and cook it on the barbecue, but actually it's perfect for a wood-fired oven. We need that searing heat with this. I'm putting it on a grill so I can move it in and out, so there's nothing going to stick, and because it's on the lemon it won't stick to anything, because that's one of the biggest issues people have cooking fish. It sticks to stuff. So just a bit of lemon.
So any contact point with the grill, you're putting lemon underneath?
Yeah. Just so I can lift that off as a one. So you could put some herbs down there, some bacon or different things, slices of leek or whatever, anything, but lemon works a treat, and then a bit of sea salt on top. And we want to get that skin nice and crispy on top. So we've got our wood fire here, that's got nice and hot, that's 300 degrees in there. So I'm just going to push that to one side, have the flames still in there so it's super hot, and then pop that in. It won't take more than about 5 minutes. So what we're going to do is just push these right to the back there.
And why didn't you do that at the very beginning? Because that wouldn't then heat the stone up, is that right?
Yeah, we want to heat the stone up under here. We also got to give time for the heat to build up so it starts to draw air in. If you push it right to the back, it's just not hot enough to draw the air in.
Yeah.
So that's running at just over 300 degrees, which is perfect for this. That's a very small, thin fish, so you don't want to overcook it. So we can take that out. It's really hot, but you can just slide that off now.
Oh, smell that. Beautiful.
Lemons, caramelised lemons, just squeeze those over the top.